Hi, so this is our adventures in gardening with landscape fabric this year. We got the woven fabric. We burned holes in it and planted seeds. I would have liked to do seedlings, which is recommended, I think. But since things didn't go quite as we had planned this spring, we just put in a lot of seeds. So anyways, overall I really liked it. It cost us about a couple $100, and I still have some on the roll. We used it in this garden and then one in the front yard, and then my daughter's little garden over here. We'll show you putting it in and then throughout the season a little bit, and then I have a little wrap up where I'll show you what it looked like right before we roll it up and put it in the barn for winter. So here we go. I've never used one of these before. Don't do a bunch of dry hay under it. Glad I saw that. Could have ruined the whole roll. Don't touch it either. Oh. Okay, I'm just going to roll a bunch of lengths on top of this and cut it that way so they're the same length, I think. Blueberry bushes. Got our asparagus right here. It's gonna be hot. Burn my finger on one of them. This I'm gonna mow all the way around here. I'm gonna probably move these strawberries and the garlic, so I'll just leave that there and roll it later.
Is this one almost 10 also?
The battery fell out. Sawdust.
What plant are these going to be for? Flowers? I think these ones.
Weeding for me so I can plant some seeds here. It's all done. Getting ready to pull this up. So this year we splurged on landscape fabric, and it's been really nice. I love it. I hardly did any weeding. I did a little bit when the plants were first little because I put a lot of seeds in the ground. But it's super nice. You can see this edge here. I just mowed around it all season. I didn't notice a lot of pests or anything. And it really helped because I didn't have any time to keep the weeds down. I spent, I don't know, 5 to 20 hours weeding certain seasons, and this one I maybe did a half an hour after the plants were established. So it's been really great, and we set it down on pretty much grass in a weedy garden, and so I'm interested to pull it up now and see what it looks like underneath. It's kind of hard to find these things. There it is. Look yet? Oh wow, that's really nice. This one was pretty well just dirt. Alright, this one had a lot of hay. Wow, that took care of all the weeds.
Yeah, it don't look bad at all.
That's nice. Wow. I didn't even...
Yeah, look at that. It's pretty good stuff.
Yeah, awesome. I knew it was good because the plants did so well. That crawled in from the side, I think. That's all creeping stuff. I think if you take a shovel and chop the edge, it'll keep that stuff trimmed back. Alright, thank you. So we've just been cutting back all these plants and everything and pulling out the staples, and I'll show you a picture of what it looks like when we're done. It's probably taking a few hours, so I guess you could factor that into weeding time that's lost, but I got finished taking the pegs out of all this and left it out here so I'd get up early this morning and show you what it looked like. But I'm gonna have to wait till it dries up again because I was not expecting this snow. I thought, oh, these will just be fine. First big snow of the year. It's like November 21st, I think. See you later. Much bare dirt when we started the season, but this would probably look like this area if I hadn't had the weed mulch. So I hope you like this video, and just stick around and we'll have another one coming out soon, hopefully next week.